Hey Rick, here we go. Hey, this is 1421 Renee Avenue. See, we got a driveway on the right side facing the house. We got a driveway on the left side, and we're gonna walk you through it. Here we go. Okay. And again, there's a new fencing we put up. Okay, and I think what we're gonna do is cut down that description because again, Keith is gonna put it in his MLS. So we'll just do short and sweet. Boom. Okay. Here's the driveway, the gravel. Kind of a side view picture. Hopefully you got some skills to where you can section off these different little lots size here and show some angles of what goes to the front house, what may go to the back house, how you could put some fencing up to section off, maybe have a dog run, all that good stuff. And boom. Okay. All that'll be cleaned out. We're pouring concrete, and they have dogs, so I'm putting up chain link fence to keep them off the concrete. That's what those Homer buckets from Home Depot are. And this is, of course, that soundproof wall that backs up against the freeway. It was 10 feet tall. Nice deep lot. Plan on having all that cleaned up by the time we film. Nice and pretty. Backside, you can see the roofing going on. Then I'll give you one more view, and that's from the back house, the mother-in-law quarters, straight through the front. All the way back to the street. There you go. And again, there's the ADU unit. So there you go.